happening, family? LLC Doncho Financial Tips, and today I'm doing a breakdown on credit scoring. So, the information brought to you by the credit scoring format, and basically is the information provided to you on the screen off of my new ebook that's going to be coming out. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the information. I'm gonna get y'all right. So, my second page of the credit score column in my ebook, the first bulletin, as you can see, it says, is to help narrow the lender's decisions. Creditors often use a 3-digit number known as a credit score as the first step in deciding whether or not to issue credit. Credit scoring models calculate your credit score by making a statistical analysis on the contents of your credit file. And then my third bulletin says bad, fair, good, very good, and excellent. So then we go to the next page, and all my bulletins have numbers, and I line them up with bad, fair, good, or very good. So first bulletin says 300 to 579 is considered bad. 580 to 669 is fair. 670 to 739 is good, and 740 to 799 is very good. And then from there, of course, 800 to 850 is excellent. And again, bad, fair, good, very good, excellent. So if you were looking for credit score explained, get that locked in. It's very basic, but that'll help you just understand it more, right? Next page, I put poor, right? So individuals in this range often have difficulty being approved for new credit. If you find yourself in the poor category, it's likely you'll need to take steps to improve your credit score before you can secure any new credit. And the reason I said it like that, because even though you're in the poor category, you still might have a little credit, but it might be low limits. So basically, you just got to secure your position where you can get up and start getting higher credit limits, So then the second bulletin is fair. And these individuals that's in the fair category are often considered subprime borrowers. Lenders may consider y'all higher risk, and they may have trouble qualifying for new credit products. And then my third bulletin says is good, and people that's in good, lenders generally view those with credit scores of 670 and up as unacceptable or lower risk borrowers, right? And just FYI, your score is not the only deciding factor as well, so keep that in mind. It's more of your credit profile, So then we go on to very good. You have demonstrated a history of positive credit behavior and may have an easier time being approved for credit versus the other ones that we just came upon. And of course, if you're in the excellent category, 800, 850, individuals in this range are considered to be low risk borrowers, and they may have an easier time securing a loan than borrowing with lower scores. So then, this is how your score is calculated. Your payment history, amounts owed, credit history, new credit, and credit mix. And as you can see, payment history is 35%, amounts owed is 30%, credit history is 15%, and new credit is 10%, as well as your overall credit mix is 10%. So with all of that said, I do see that I'm coming up on my 5-minute mark. We're like at around 4:20. So I'm gonna stop the video right here because I do know that my channel is fairly new and it's minimal content up there as far as long form videos. So this is what we're gonna do. I need you to like the video. You know, you could comment if you want. You can tell me if you ready for the ebook to come, and subscribe. So once you subscribe, what I'm gonna do, we're gonna go over my FICO or your FICO scores in general and Vantage scores in the next video over. So my watch time won't get jacked up by going over my 5-minute mark. As I continue to progress with my YouTube channel, then my videos will become a little bit longer, but for now we're gonna cut it short there. So with that said, LLC Don Show Financial Tips, we gone.